Hey guys, check out my new creation. I call them evil eggs. They are spicy and they are stuffed with shrimp and cocktail sauce. Find out how to make them right here on David's Flavor. Alright, so this is what we're gonna need. We're gonna need we're using 8 eggs, hot sauce, paprika.
What?
Yeah, paprika. We're using Worcestershire sauce, we're using horseradish sauce, ketchup, garlic, frozen shrimp with the tails off this time, and some fresh green onion from the inside garden that we have here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to boil the eggs and boil until it starts boiling. And then we're going to turn it off or put it on low for 15 minutes and wait for them to cook all the way. So I'm going to show you how to make this awesome shrimp cocktail sauce for any shrimp cocktail, and it's super easy. So all you need is ketchup of your choice. You're going to need horseradish sauce, Worcestershire, a little bit of garlic, and we're going to use some hot sauce, and we're going to use salt and pepper. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and then we're going to add the horseradish, at least half of it, and we're gonna pour the Worcestershire sauce in here. So this is about 2 tablespoons, and just kind of play with it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use very little bit of garlic in here. And then we're gonna add the hot sauce. And now, so we're making evil eggs, and depending on how evil you wanna be is the kind of hot sauce you're gonna use and how much. So we're just using regular Tabasco, and mix this in. So I like a little bit more horseradish on mine, so we're gonna do a little bit more. And you can just kind of play with it and adjust it to flavor. And then what I do is add just a little bit of lemon juice. Perfect. We got our shrimp cocktail sauce all ready to go. So our eggs are already boiled. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shock them into ice cold water, and I'm gonna leave them in there up until they're completely chilled. And that should make it easy to peel. 2 eggs, 3 eggs.
So you're just guesstimating?
4 eggs.
It's just 4.5 because I'm eating this one.
But here we go. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start roughly cutting this shrimp, not completely dicing, but just kind of making it manageable. Just like so. Don't have to go crazy.
I thought that was your middle name.
Crazy? Alright, so I'm going to also mix these onions in here. Just like that. So, got the shrimp all diced up. Now I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. You don't have to add lemon juice, but I will just do that. A little bit of pepper, salt. We need the eggs.
Do we?
We need the eggs.
Do we? You can just take this. Do this.
Stop it.
And put it in your mouth.
Your nice trick helps the eggs peel really easy. So we had it in there for like maybe 5 minutes. As you can see, the egg just peels super easy. There you go. There's our eggs. We lost one in the process. So I'm gonna cut the egg in half. Like this. Take the yolk out. Put it in the shrimp. I'm mixing the yolk into the shrimp.
All right, Arnold.
Arnold. All right, so this is like so, and then we're gonna take the cocktail sauce, dump it in here, and mix that together. Next, I'm gonna put paprika on here.
So you're not doing any mayo?
No mayo. Again, we lost another one in the process. Babe, you gotta stop eating these eggs while I'm making stuff.
Sorry. You just starve me.
Alright, so basically got it in a different plate, and I'm topping it off with a little bit of hot sauce. Some awesome hot sauce. Alright, and just topping it with a little bit of fresh green onion. And there you go. These are Mohawk Dave's Evil Eggs, served with hot sauce, shrimp, and a little bit of lemon. What do you think?
I'll tell you what I think after I have it.
All right, let me shove one in your face right now.